Hey guys, I know price action trading can be somewhat a confusing and mysterious style of trading, and so I just wanted to post the basic characteristics of price action trading to help clarify this ambiguous trading style. Okay, so number one, price action trading only uses price action to make trading decisions. Okay, and that means no indicators, no fundamental analysis, no intermarket correlations, etc. Just price alone will do. And so a technical analyst's screen will likely look something like this, and a fundamental trader's chart will more or less look like this, while a price action trader's chart will look like this. Okay, number two, the price action trader analyzes naked price using candle patterns, trend lines, price patterns, and even distinct ways that price itself fluctuates to predict the future direction of an asset's price. Now think of this as how one learns to read a given language. Similarly, the price action trader learns the language of price and allows the market to tell them the direction that it will go in the future. So the market literally tells the price action trader, I am going down. And the price action trader simply reads that message and sells. Okay, number three, the price action trader does not need a logical understanding of why price moves in a given direction. Now they have the mentality that if it works, there's no reason or need to explain it. And so if you think about price action trading, it seems highly illogical to make trading decisions completely disregarding real-world events. But the price action trader's mentality is, if the bottom line of trading is to make money, and if price action analysis makes you that money, why waste the time to explore the logical reasons on how they made it? Because after all, the truth is in the pudding. Okay, number four, to the price action trader, misanalysis is never the fault of price, fundamentals, or any other analysis method. The fault is always on the price action trader's misinterpretation of price. Now, other types of analysis methods tend to have a scapegoat logic in which they could blame world events or even other asset correlations for their misanalysis. But to the price action trader, the blame of misanalysis is always on their own lack in ability to read price. A great trait, in my opinion, for blaming other factors for misanalysis aside from yourself is a fast track to slow growth as a trader. Okay, number five, to the price action trader, current price is more valuable than past price in terms of analysis. So what happens closer to current price has more weight in terms of the analysis process, and thus they must watch current price and cannot just buy and sell and let a higher power take the wheel. Now, just like if you were driving a car and you were traveling from point A to point B, you wouldn't take your eyes off the road until you reach your destination, correct? Similarly, the price action trader, after a trade is initiated, continuously watches price as it reveals itself until the trade is closed. Okay, number six, price action trading techniques can be directly applied to any time frame, thus can be used for any style of trading, whether it be day trading, swing trading, long-term trading, although some underdeveloped markets are unreadable. Now, since the price action trader's basis of analysis is based on price itself, if there isn't sufficient price data to read, it's like having a racket with no ball. They simply don't have the tools necessary to trade. So think of altcoins that were just launched and literally only have 3 weeks worth of price data. Alright, so that was the basic characteristics of price action trading. I hope this helped clarify this mysterious trading style for you guys. And if you have any questions about price action trading, please leave it in the comment section. And I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye.